I don't accept that I am what I am and that is what I'm doomed to be. No, I don't accept that. I'm fighting. I'm always fighting. I'm struggling and I'm scrapping. And I'm kicking and clawing at those weaknesses to change them, to stop them. Some days I win. Some days I don't. But each and every day, I get back up and I move forward with my fists clenched toward the battle, toward the struggle. And I fight with everything I've got to overcome those weaknesses and those shortfalls and those flaws.
On the other side of your struggle is something good. On your other side of your struggle is something better. On the other side of your struggle is some sort of success.
Why would you waste 1 second doing something that wasn't progressing your dream? What you want exists. Don't settle until you get it. You need to use guilt as your fuel. You need to start feeling guilty when you're not achieving or striving towards your dream. You can use the people that doubted your dream as motivation. When your dreams are dying and when you don't have enough strength to go on, I need you to stop the procrastination. I need you to let go of all limitations.
So I'm here to tell you today that you can have anything you want, be anyone you want, but you're gonna have to work.
See, dreams, aspirations, they're not easily obtained, but one of the hardest things to do is to keep going.
Everybody, at one point in time in your life, to be successful, you have to jump. Jumping is the hardest thing for people to do, but you have to jump. If you never jump, you'll never be successful. When you first jump, I guarantee you the parachute ain't gonna open. I promise you that. But guess what? Eventually it does open. And then you start your glide, but it starts with the jump. You have to jump now.
No matter how painful it is, I gotta keep going. And I gotta keep going because what is my passion? What is my focus? Your focus and your passion will numb you to failure and to pain of striving to get to where you're trying to go.
It's not a magic trick. You can protect yourself from negativity. And that's what stops most people. negative thoughts. And I'm just talking to you, I don't even know. I could give you 50 things you ought to be grateful for right now. I don't even know you. Start coating your mind with gratitude. It'll change everything for you.
So whenever someone said to me, it can't be done, I heard it can be done. When they said no, I heard yes. When they said it's impossible, I heard it is possible. Because I am a strong believer.
Never settle. Never settle. You got to get this in your spirit no matter what. Never settle.
When challenges and issues come back to back to back to back, and it seems like something is after me, something is attacking me, something is attacking my journey. Look for the lesson in it all.
If you're still breathing and you haven't gotten it done yet, you can still do it. Don't let this limitation of age, this limitation of background, where you come from or where you live. God planted something inside of you when He designed you.
Only you decide when to kill these dreams. You're more powerful than you even know.
Never settle. There's still time. Never settle. There's still time.
You survived all the trouble you ever been in. Your survival rate is 100%.
You can make your dream into a reality, but it will only take one person to believe that it's possible. It will only take one person to put in the work. That person is you.
And it was because I had a goal.
I'm sure people have told you to make sure you have something to fall back on, but I never understood that concept, having something to fall back on. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward. I figure at least this way I'll see what I'm going to hit.
To begin to see and envision that happening, you can decide that I don't like what I produced here, and I want higher ground.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, there is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living.
Keep your dreams phenomenal. Keep your vision phenomenal. Keep it phenomenal. And now I need you to get your weight up. As an individual, I need you to get your schedule up. I need you to get your life up. I need you to get your words up. I need you to get your heart up. I need you to get your action up.
Stand up, take control, and do battle with your enemies, wherever you find them. Now here's one more. We must also deal with the enemies within ourselves. Some of the enemies are a lot closer than that. They are within.
So what we're going to do, we're going to get the right information, and then we're going to get narrow focus, boom, we're going to go for it. Many of you will not be successful because you've got this giant goal and no steps to go with it. How many steps? I don't know. Like, what is it going to take me to do it? I don't know. I just know this is my year. Can I be real with you? If you can't measure it, it ain't real.
Do you realize that every day you thought you wasn't gonna make it? Do you remember them days where you thought it was absolutely unbearable and you thought you wasn't gonna endure that one? Do you know that your survival rate for every last one of them bad days is 100%? Your track record for surviving bad days is 100%.
You have the power to do that.
That's a fact.